Struggling to write copy that grabs attention and makes people click? You are not alone. Most creators and business owners spend hours staring at a blank page wondering what to write. Here is the surprising truth. The best copywriters in the world do not start from scratch. They follow shortcuts, frameworks, and proven formulas that have been tested for decades. And when you use the same approach, your copy instantly becomes sharper, faster to write, and way more persuasive. Here is why this matters. Research shows people decide whether to stay or leave a page in less than 8 seconds. If your first lines do not connect, you lose them forever. Now let me share 3 shortcuts that change everything. Step 1. Start with a proven framework. Frameworks like AIDA, PAS, or the 4Cs give you a roadmap so you never wonder what comes next. Think of them like the GPS of copywriting. They guide you from attention to action without guessing. Step 2. Steal the psychology that already works. Instead of guessing what words sell, tap into human triggers like curiosity, fear of missing out, and social proof. That is why lines like limited spots available or see what others are saying convert so well. Step 3. Never write alone. This is the secret most people do not talk about. Top marketers use tools to generate drafts, speed up ideas, and refine messages. And that is where AI Creator Max comes in. Here is the problem. Writing from scratch is slow and overwhelming. Agitate that, because every wasted hour staring at the screen is a missed sale, a missed client, and missed growth. The solution is simple. AI Creator Max gives you over 100 templates for ads, blogs, titles, and emails built on proven psychology like AIDA and PAS. You just answer a few questions, click generate, and your copy is ready in seconds. It helps you write 10x faster and sound like a pro even if you are not a writer. Try it free today. Link is below. Here is a funny way to think about it. Writing copy without shortcuts is like trying to cook a 5-course meal without a recipe. You end up wasting ingredients and time. But with the right shortcuts, you follow the steps and dinner is served. Bonus tip: always test one small tweak at a time. Sometimes changing just the first line can double your clicks overnight. Remember, this video is part of a free copywriting mini course, so binge the playlist for even more insider secrets. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the hardest part of copywriting for you. And do not wait until tomorrow. Start using shortcuts today with AI Creator Max and cut your writing time to minutes, not hours.